Hi, I'm Mindy Koopman, and we're in Palm Grove by Neal Communities. I'd like to take you on a tour of our Tidewinds villa. This offers 1,648 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an oversized den, and a 2-car garage. Take a tour with me. I think you're going to like what we have to see. One of the things I really enjoy about this floor plan is the fact that you have all of the designer upgrades that are offered in a full-size home. The difference, though, is that we've done everything we can to make this floor plan work for you. That means you have plenty of storage opportunities and plenty of opportunities to display your personality in your home. We're here in the kitchen of the Tidewinds. As you can see, this is a fully functional kitchen, even though it's a smaller space. You have a fantastic island for your cooking, for entertaining. You have natural gas appliances and an open concept plan, which really takes in the space. Who doesn't love flexible space in their home? This den can be a media room, it can be a private retreat, it can be anything you want. Welcome to outdoor living. Here in Florida, you know that this is what everybody is craving. You have a covered lanai, you have a pocket slider, you have a gas stub, and an extended lanai cage so you can enjoy any time of the year. We're here in the primary suite. One of the details that I really love about this plan is that you have all of the room for a full king-size suite. So if you're attached to that bed, that dresser, that armoire, you're going to have room for it here. Your primary ensuite is an effective use of space in the bathroom. You have 3 functional closets, dual vanities, a private water closet, and a tiled step-in shower. Your secondary bedroom and secondary bathroom are located at the front of the home. Your Tidewinds villa offers a fully functional utility room. That wraps up our tour of the Tidewinds villa. I'm here in Palm Grove, and I'd love to have you come and visit so I can help introduce you to your dream home.